Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed panelists and participants, and distinguished audience members, I am honored to introduce our research team presenting at the International Student Research Congress under the compelling title, Bridging the Gap, Examining UM Students' Perceptions of Sampling in Statistics. We have the dynamic collaboration of Noemi F. Baldos, Gerald V. Miranda, Jake P. Magboo, Carrie Justin Estraliado, and yours truly, Crystal Ann A. Sulit. This dedicated group of undergraduate researchers dives into examining of students' perspectives on sampling and statistics within the UMS discipline. In the Philippines, the high school statistics curriculum aligned the K-12 framework covers a comprehensive range of topics to introduce students to the fundamental principles of statistical analysis. The curriculum begins with an introduction to statistics, where students delved into basic concepts and definition, as well as the application of descriptive statistics in understanding measures of central tendency and dispersion. The subsequent section on sampling techniques equips students with essential skills in various sampling methods, such as the simple random sampling, stratified random sampling, systematic sampling, and the cluster sampling. Navigating senior high school statistics proved challenging for students, transcending traditional hurdles. Beyond rote memorization, the abstract nature of probability and data interpretation forms a formidable challenge. In UMS, our research uncovers unique struggles, immersing into the human experience within statistical comprehension. Today, we unravel the students' difficulties, aiming to resolve statistical hurdles and enhance written pedagogical approaches. In this study, the researchers aimed to determine the difficulties encountered in sampling and sampling distribution in statistics and probability. Specifically, the researchers sought answers to the following questions. First, what are the perceived difficulties of the respondents in terms of students' interest, study habits, teacher personality traits, teacher teaching skills, and teacher instructional learning materials? Second, what is the performance of the grade 11 UM students in the sampling and sampling distribution? Third, based on the results, what learning material can the researchers suggest regarding the difficulty of the respondents? And lastly, what is the measure of reliability or agreement among raters of the learning material? Employing a quantitative design aligned with Creswell principles, our study delved into perceived difficulties faced by the 120 grade 11 UM students in sampling and sampling distribution. Survey questionnaires pilot tested for consistency were distributed collaboratively with the teacher in charge. A post-test triangulated students' perception with statistical treatments, including weighted arithmetic mean and standard deviation. Mastery levels were interpreted using depth-based scale, ethical considerations secured through informed consent, prioritized transparent communication, and emotional well-being. Intra-class correlation coefficient measured agreement for the learning guide, affirming its reliability. This comprehensive approach enhances understanding and addresses challenges statistical education. Looking at the results, grade 11 UM students perceive various aspects of statistics as somehow difficult, with means ranging from 3.05 to 3.09, highlighting moderate interest, study habits, and acceptable teacher traits. Notably, teaching skills stand out positively with a mean of 3.30. Performance varies with correct answers ranging from 11% to 54%, yielding an overall mean assessment score of 12.8. Acknowledging challenges, our recommendation suggests tailored learning modules for UM students, a proposed modular guide validated through an intra-class correlation coefficient of 0.75 emphasizes UM's jargons, sampling and sampling methods to enhance overall learning experiences and address identified difficulties. The development of these learning resources, such as the goal of this research, was within strands of the first domain, content knowledge and pedagogy of the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers, as provided by the DepEd Order No. 42, Series 2017, which aims to promote research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning. Moreover, the learning material, being supplemental in nature, has the following components. First one is the cover page, second, table of contents, third, foreword, fourth, acknowledgements, fifth, learning competencies in accordance with the most essential learning competency for statistics and probability provided by the DepEd. 6. Concept in a box. 7. Lesson discussions. 8. Try natin or sample problems. 9. Lesson summary. And last, the bibliography. That concludes our presentation. We express gratitude to the International Student Research Congress for the opportunity to share our findings. The exploration of UM students' perceptions of sampling in statistics sheds light on vital educational facets. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to continued dialogues on enhancing statistical understanding. Thank you for listening.